In Rwanda, thousands of children are chronically malnourished, even though the majority of the population are farmers. Here at Gardens for Health, we see this disconnect as an opportunity. We work with families with malnourished children to help them grow a variety of vegetables in their home gardens so that their children get the nutrients they need. At our headquarters, we use our 5-acre farm to invest in innovative agriculture techniques, produce seeds to distribute, and provide healthy food to the community. Now let's show you some techniques that we teach.
I'm going to show you how we build double dug bed. Most Rwandan farmers don't dig deeper than 30 centimeters. Digging deeper and adding organic materials improve the soil fertility, increases aeration, and allows plant roots to grow deeper, which doubles crop production compared to traditional methods. Beds should be 1 meter wide. This topsoil is going to be put on the side. We've reached 30 centimeters from the top. This soil is very hard. Break that hard pan. We've broken the soil until 60 centimeters. The next step is to add soil amendments, improve its fertility. Fully decomposed manure, the broken leaves of Tithonia, coriander leaves, ash, mix. Go back to the topsoil. You add some manure, and then we are going to bring it back. Mulching prevents the topsoil to get dry. So we've fully finished to build our garden. This is a double dug bed.
This is our fruit tree nursery. I'm going to talk about the grafting of this avocado tree. Grafting is one of the methods that are being used just to mix two different varieties of one crop. For example here, this one is the local variety, resistant to those pests and diseases and other climatic conditions, but the weakness of producing like more than 3 years and less fruits. This one is the stem from that improved varieties. This one produces fruit 1 to 2 years faster. So grafting is that method of mixing both varieties so that we can just take the potential from this one and then take advantage of this so it gives high production. Took this seedling and then carry it. Then after we're gonna take this scion and insert, cover. This one and this one will exchange those liquid inside, and then we will make one seedling. Just do not get exposure. Now it is done. So we're gonna keep this seedling in our nursery. Like after 3 weeks, it will start to have new leaves. To make it requires some skills. That's why we make it by here and then distribute those seedlings to families.
Plants are affected by pests and diseases. So we train people to make the pesticide organically without buying these inorganic pesticides that are of expensive costs. Now, the materials for making organic pesticides: marigold, pili-pili, blackjack, garlic, aloe vera. They do have a smell that insects doesn't like. We start by chopping. You put it into mortar and pestle, add hot water. You mix. Keep it for 24 hours. Add soap. Soap helps the pesticide stay on the leaves of plants. Then you filter and you dilute because it is so strong. Then you can spray the crops. These are simple materials that are very accessible and can function the same way as inorganic pesticides do.
After all those techniques that we are teaching, the last step is seed saving. Most of those smallholders farmers in Rwanda think that to have seed, it requires money. The seed saving is the method of keeping your own seed to be used season by season. To do not go to the market to look for the seed as you have grown your own crops. Have an example of amaranth. This is the flowering pad. Cut like this, and then dried up on the sun. Just after harvesting, it looks like this. And then the next step is threshing. Put the dried part inside to remove seeds from those flowers. Put it in here. We're gonna go in the bottom of this basin. Then after, winnowing is a traditional method of separating the seed. We just have the final seed, as you may see. Can put our seed inside way. From that can keep our seed for long. With these techniques, we are empowering families to use agriculture as a long-term solution to malnutrition, so that one day every child in Rwanda has access to nutritious food.